Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about some of the reasons you might be attracting the wrong clients and discuss some powerful strategies to draw in the right ones. If you clicked on this video, you're likely familiar with this sinking feeling. You put in a lot of hours and yet everything still becomes a struggle, leaving you wondering why you signed up for this in the first place. So during countless interviews with my clients, I discovered this powerful system that holds the key to drawing in the crowd that makes you love your work. I call it the client attraction trifecta. Curious to know what it involves? Let's get right to it. All right, let's dive into the first part of your trifecta, the beating heart of your brand. Who exactly do you serve? See, understanding your audience is the bedrock of your business, and trust me, it goes so much deeper than just demographics. Most new entrepreneurs start by knowing their audience's age, gender, job description, nationality, you name it. But let me tell you about this well-kept secret in the marketing industry. Brand archetypes. Brand archetypes or archetypes are repeating personality patterns we all inherently know. They're rooted in Jungian psychology and have served to build groundbreaking brand campaigns since the 1980s. By using brand archetypes, you can get deep insights into your audience's inherent needs. So it's not just about who your customers are on the surface, but what motivates them, what challenges they want to overcome, and what their values, drives, and desires are. Whether they have traits of the rebel, the sage, the creator, or the everyman, working with archetypes will help you connect to your audience through their aspirations. And for that, let me give you a brief glimpse into a brand archetype-based client profile for Julish TV. Meet Lisa, the creative sage. Lisa values creativity and wisdom above everything else. She feels stuck and unfulfilled in her current career and lifestyle and is looking for a solution to build a meaningful business that will give her the freedom to live life on her own terms, create work of enduring value, and have a positive impact on the world. See, by tapping into brand archetypes, you're not just talking surface level to your audience, you're inviting them into a shared journey towards their goals and dreams. And if you're curious to learn more in depth about brand archetypes, make sure to check out this playlist right here. Till then, let's move on to our next part of the trifecta. Having a clear message. All right, now that you laid the foundation by understanding your audience, your next step is to craft a compelling message that unmistakably attracts your dream clients. Because the truth is, clarity in your message is a non-negotiable if you want to attract clients who value your craft and acknowledge your expertise. So how do you craft a message that sets you apart while also echoing your audience's needs? There are 3 elements to a message that's built to captivate your dream clients. Your mission statement, this is how you plan to make a difference in the world. Your brand promise, this is what you want to achieve for your customers. And your positioning statement, this is how you show what makes you different from your competitors. And now for a hands-on experiment, let's imagine crafting a brand message for a well-known personal brand. Jay Shetty. Mission statement. Empowering individuals to discover their purpose and unlock their potential by making wisdom go viral and accessible for all. Brand promise. Delivering actionable insights and transformative wisdom that inspires positive change, personal growth, and a fulfilling life. Positioning statement. Jay Shetty stands as a bridge between timeless wisdom and modern society, providing accessible, relatable, and impactful content that inspires people to lead a purpose-driven life. And now, reflecting on Jay's message, ask yourself, how does your own message resonate with your dream client? Hey, and if you find these videos helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos on marketing and personal branding coming your way. All right, guys, let's focus on another pivotal element that'll help you attract your dream client: a smart pricing strategy. And this is such a sticky situation many new entrepreneurs face. How do you figure out a price that truly reflects your value while also attracting your ideal client? Maybe you've been in that tough spot, charging less than you're worth, just to find yourself stuck with clients who barely acknowledge your expertise. It's frustrating, but this is how you can turn the table. In 2013, the world-renowned street artist Banksy set up a stall in Central Park, New York, where an elderly gentleman sold original paintings for $60 each. By the end of the day, only 3 people had bought a couple of paintings. What they and everyone else passing by did not know is this unassuming stall contained original art valued at almost $1 million. And this iconic stunt unveils that pricing depends pretty much on three things: narrative, context, and supply and demand. Your pricing strategy isn't just about covering costs and making a profit. It's about the story you tell, the context in which you present your product or service, and most importantly, how your audience perceives the value of what you're offering. So how do you find the sweet spot when it comes to pricing your product or service? It boils down to understanding the value you're adding to your ideal client's life. Let me break it down. Staying in the realm of art, you can either sell a piece of sprayed street art, or you can sell a piece that transforms a space into a statement. This isn't just art, it's a conversation piece that mirrors your distinctive style and sparks a dialogue. See the difference? The truth is, humans buy on emotions and justify with facts. When you frame your work not just as a product or a service, but as a part of your client's narrative, you're not competing on price anymore. Because they're not just picking up another art piece, they're investing in a piece that speaks to their identity. And for that kind of match, they're more than happy to pay the price it's genuinely worth. Alright guys, let's quickly summarize what we've learned. If you want to attract the kind of clients that genuinely makes you love your work, your first step is to really understand your audience. We're not just skimming the surface here. Dive into brand archetypes and deeply understand who you're serving. Then it's time to fine-tune your message. Make it clear, make it resonate. You want a message that speaks directly to your ideal customer's heart and mind. And the final touch is your pricing. This isn't just about numbers, it's about setting a price that reflects your value and addresses your customer's identity. Put all these together and you've got yourself a strategy that doesn't only attract clients, but the right kind of clients. The ones that value what you do and are ready to invest in it. And if you guys want to learn more about personal branding and building a meaningful business, you might want to check out this playlist right here. Take care, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.